Wrong technology can hold back your business and limit its growth potential. Unlock the full potential of your business with us. Take your manufacturing to the next level with Tata Communications Move Private Network. With our network management and analytics platform, we can enable portfolio of use cases like AR, VR, to create digital twin of the plant, industrial robotics, to achieve precision manufacturing, automated quality inspection, for reduced production defects, automated transportation and drone inspection, for improved distribution, and many more. From R&D, testing, manufacturing to distribution, Tata Communications Move Private Network can speed up your work, improve performance, and secure operations with a unified view of operations across global locations. Get reliable and secure connectivity, a dedicated network customized to your application, and a comprehensive service portfolio with Tata Communications Move Private Network. We invite you to test and evaluate your applications at our 5G lab.